Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So the first step, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I always use the EasyFax so I can open it. Now remember, this is your free credits banner, so remember about that to send the message for the free, because you have to restart the application after the setup. Okay, now add the permission to the camera and to the files. Tap on the plus to choose source of your document, like a something from the gallery. Now select the picture and click import. Now you can add this as shape to your document. And if you're ready, click arrow icon. Now choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible for the receiver. If you're ready, click accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and now to send this message, click on this little icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.